Dear Deb and your dear family, just a little something I wrote. The call came in at 8 o'clock. Are you still in bed? Yes, I am. I heard her tone. The news I heard I dread. This morning Mike has had a stroke. I gasped to what I heard. Quick and fast I hurried in, but soon he was transferred. Not long I heard the copter blades. Help is on the way, and landed down so gracefully, Mike off to fight the fray. Waiting there outside those doors, before he flew away, they strolled him out, I jokingly, I'll be your nurse today. That smile he gave when I spoke, I'll cherish it for long. That's how I will remember him, before some things went wrong. The battle soon became severe. Soon he fought for life. Then he needed help to breathe. So real the bitter strife. So many tears, so many hugs, so much love was shown. Emotions running to the max. Life hands a brutal blow. Test after test, results came in. All those tears came back. Words then heard were not as planned, but ready to attack. Those Hugendorns, they fight for life. Giving up's not heard. So pressing on, they fight as one. For them my heart is stirred. I still remember it so well, that family by his bed. They begged to see his eyes again, to talk to him again. Their begging wishes, they came true. In the morn he did. His eyes would open now and then. He listened to his kids. Oh, the joy and oh, the smiles. Enjoyed those baby steps. Though small they were, improvements made. Prized his meager grip. Then a little rivalry. Lisa was so thrilled. She got the first kiss from her dad. Not long, Deb got her fill. Friday morn, a fever raged. Responses had declined. Tests again, prognosis grim. Hopes were undermined. Emotions in that waiting room sailed up to the sky. With peace of mind, a choice was made. No quality for life. Goodbyes were said. They let him go. The time 10:41. He ventured on with no more pain. A void on earth begun.